No, I literally was going like normal speed behind this minivan, and that's it. Like, yeah, it popped out of gear, and I was like, oh, okay. But it was making this weird like woo sound, like this ooh sound, and that's it. I realized, what the fuck? I'm in first gear and it's not going anywhere. I'm all the way in sixth gear. Listen, I'm in sixth gear. The clutch is disengaged, and I'm not going anywhere. I just did 130 miles an hour, and I'm not going anywhere. Oh my god, this thing's so small. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh. I'm holding the left brake, which is the rear brake, because I want to shift, but I can't shift because this is not a shifting bike. Oh, this light is taking forever, man. Oh my god. Come on, there you go. So, I had a list of people who to call, and the first person that came to mind was Sab. And the reason why, oh lord, the reason why is because he was closest to me, and I felt really, really bad because he was hosting his Passover dinner, and here I am calling him, I need a tow truck. You know, I felt so terrible. I said, well, I'm down to two options. Either I call AAA or I can call Sab and see if he's going to come down. And so I called Sab, and he said he'd come down and, you know, rescue me, which he did. And then, yeah, he came down. He was here in like a few minutes and put my bike on the back of his truck. Oh, Lord. And, I can't get over this. I can't believe I'm writing this. So he put my bike on the back of his truck and drove his truck home. We had the Passover dinner, which, by the way, was hosted by Lucky Bear. And this is the bike I'm riding. Actually, this is Lucky Bear's bike. And probably use it for work tomorrow because my bike's going to be in the shop and I don't want to use my truck to go into Hollywood. So I'm using Lucky Bear's bike. Thank you, Lucky Bear, again, man. I really, really appreciate you loaning me your scooter. And I don't think I'm going to make this light. Well, maybe. You know, it's funny I'm talking about breaking down because this is exactly where I broke down. Right here, as we're passing by. I don't know if you could see it, but that little driveway on my left, right over there, that's where I pulled over. I had just enough speed coming off that exit where that car's coming off, and just coasted into that little spot, and that was it. That was it for me. So I'm on my way home. I'm on my way home with Lucky Bear's bike, and tomorrow Sab is gonna drive his truck with my bike on the back to the shop because it's closer to his house than mine. It would make no sense to go back to my house and then back to there. So he's actually got my bike on the back of his truck, and so he's gonna drive his truck back to the shops where they can fix it. And whenever the bike is ready, my God, that turn signal is bright. Whenever my bike is ready, I'm going to call him and say, hey, bike's ready, and I'll hop over on this bike back to his house, and then from there we'll hop in his truck, go pick up my bike. Is this Laurel Canyon? Yep, gotta turn here. God damn, this turn signal is bright as shit. Oh. I'm not used to such a small, light bike, I'll tell you that. But it gets the job done. I get 65 miles to the gallon on this hog.
Where did you find that?
Some kid back in town. Traded the van for it, straight up. I can get 70 miles to the gallon on this hog.
Oh my God, it's so bumpy. Oh, it's so nimble. Trying to make this light. Come on. Yeah. That's only 45. Alright, car. Come on, you stupid beetle. Yeah. Oh. I'm afraid to take my hands off this handlebars because it's so nimble. And it's so bumpy. I gotta adjust the mirror. Balamor, te quiero. God, I don't have an RPM gauge, nothing. It's so weird. Yeah, about time you turned left. Te quiero. It's almost like you gotta kick your feet to give it a little bit of a boost to go. God damn it. Son of a bitch. Anyway. Oh yeah, that's a hard stop. Whoa. Somebody's getting pulled over, and it is not me. It is the car behind me. Yep, I didn't do it. Ooh, somebody's in trouble. Speaking of cops, this bank right here was the famous Bank of America where the famous 1997 North Hollywood shootout happened. If you don't know what that is, just Google it or YouTube it and you'll figure it out. Oh. I'd like to get in the left lane. This damn car would speed up. No, of course. Man, that's a bright turn signal. Good lord, at least they'll see you turning. God, turn signal's almost as bright as the headlights. You never seen. Come on, focus. Focus on the road. Let's go. Let's go! Oh my god, I'm out of time for that shit.